the cost of the fossil fuels is paid by our lungs. I mean, I think this is what we need to visualize. That is what people need to visualize, that the real cost of burning fossil fuels is paid by my health. Maybe not just to the lungs, it's the lungs and many other organs of our body. But this is the first thing that we need to make sure that the people, the citizens, the individuals, as David was saying, they understand the connection. And one very important way to make that connection is the issue of air pollution. People have difficulties on visualizing how climate change will affect them directly. You know, we explain it and we talk about the horrible impact that the negative that climate change will have on your health. But unless you visualize it, people have some difficulties. But when you tell them about air pollution causing asthma, for instance, which is not a direct thing, but still exacerbate asthma case and mortality, people make the connection. And then they realize that this is something that will affect me, my son, my nephew, somebody that is very close to me, the little Ella who lost her life because she was exposed very often to very high levels of air pollution. And then we can make an incredible advocacy movement there because people make the connection. This is the type of arguments that we need to be strong about it. And is not only climate change, is air pollution. We bring these 7 million premature deaths caused by air pollution to the table of the climate change. And this is where we need to be very serious about promoting renewable energy or clean sources of energy and telling the government this is a health argument. It's not just your business in terms of energy sources or how you decide with your Ministry of Energy. No, no, no. This is a health matter and we want to be part of the discussion on that. And if they don't invite us, we invite ourselves.